Hey, hi everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most baffling bromance in international relation. Why is Donald Trump showering Narendra Modi with compliments, calling him a great friend and tremendous leader, while slapping India with crippling 50% tariff on sanctions that feel like geopolitical gut punch? Is this a friendship or a high stakes poker game stuck around as we unpack Trump Modi paradox and what it means for the world's largest democracy? So let's start with a flattery because Trump does love a good ego stroke. Just last week on Modi's birthday, Trump picked up the phone for a wonderful chat, gushing about their special relationship. He's called Modi a very close friend more times than I can count. Hacking back to those blockbuster even the 2019 Howdy Modi rally in Texas with 50,000 cheering fans. The 2020 Namaste Trump in Ahmedabad. Trump see a kinder spirit in Modi, a fellow nationalist tough on borders and unapologetically populist. It's a personal chemistry, two leaders who bond over big crowds and bigger egos. And let's be real, in Trump world, raising a guy like Modi keeps the door open for deals. It's praise diplomacy and its finest velvet glove over an iron first. But here's where it gets spicy. While Trump tweeting birthday wishes his administration dropping economic bombs on India, blanket 50% tariff on everything from steel to spices because Trump calls India trade policies obnoxious and drops into tariff king for hitting US goods like Harley Davidson with sky high duties. We are talking a US India trade deficit north of 100 billion a year and Trump wanted it fixed yesterday. Then there is the sanction hammer, secondary penalties for Indian buying Russian oil and arms even as Europe is scrambling from Ukraine fallout. Trump yanked the waiver for India Chabahar port project in Iran, a key move to counter China's grip in the region via Pakistan Gadar. And don't get me started on threats of 25% taxes on Apple if they keep manufacturing in India. Trump even called India's economy dead. Ouch. Oh, and it twists that sting New Delhi. He's suddenly praising Pakistan as a great country or its Afghan help. It's like watching your buddy high five your rival at the bar. These aren't random slaps, they are calculated pressure points to force India to ditch Russia, slash tariff, and cozy up more to the US anti India squad. So why the Jelky and Hyde routine? It's scream art of the deal. Trump Bible. He separated the man from the policy. Loves Modi, strongman vibe hates what he sees as India unfair plays that bleed American jobs. That this carrot and stick game. It's a leverage by buttering up Modi personally. Trump avoid a full rupture. Keeps India in the Quad alliance against China. While twisting arm for concession, analysts call it unique friendship that buy time for trade talks now heating up amid these tensions. But from India's side, it's humiliating. Modi's been ghosting Trump calls for months, betting on his multi alignment foreign policy. Critics say it's exposed cracks. Can India juggle US pressure without buckling on Russia or China? For the US, it's America first on steroids, remarking global trade in Washington image. Globally, it risks fracturing the democratic bloc at a time when autocrats are watching. Bottom line, the paradox isn't hypocrisy, it's a hardball negotiation